Stratix partners very closely with the OEMs that have made a big impact in enterprise mobility. This relationship has enabled us to do everything from early testing of products to really understanding the best ways to utilize these devices in the field. We do things like pre-test the software with them, make sure that they can be deployed in mass, as well as making sure that they are deployed for the right use cases. We work with their product designers to understand the use cases that they were intended for, and then we work with our customers to make sure that that actually lines up. Companies that have come to rely on mobile devices find them to be much more effective, much better for their business when they've partnered with a company like Stratix, because we understand what it means for these technologies to be operational. What was previously viewed as a consumer and a nice to have kind of device is now critical.